You're walking in the public road in Buccament. This is the houses. One of the houses that is very much underwater, and it's very bad here in Buccament. Very much bad here in Buccament. Hi, morning. Do that. As people try to get to safety. You see people there taking refuge on shops and hills. Sorry, not hills, water. There's a young lady on top of the roof that is there, and we just total devastation. This is the current representative. Basically heading down to the beach side. I'm actually in about a foot or so water. Can you see that? That's my knee. That's my knee you're seeing there. I'm heading way down. Some gentlemen walking inside the water. Going down there. It's total devastation here in Buccament Bay. And there you can see other houses that has been flooded by torrential rain. The current representative, Mr. Renrick, just passed by there a while ago. As you can see, Buccament is now underwater. For those folks, it's not a pretty sight here in Buccament Bay, because I'm actually on the public road and the water is about 6 to 7 feet. And what you're seeing here is the water actually running on the road itself. You understand? This is the part that you're going to the resort. Totally impossible at this moment. See the destruction that's in Buccament Bay. Very much we are in a crisis here in Buccament. We are in a crisis. Very much in a crisis here. And for a while I've been speaking about this event. And if nothing is being done to this problem, we might all wake up one day and only find that there is not one damn thing left in this village here of Buccament. We have gone through many suffering, many pains, and I think that we have had enough of this.